Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about CTE, Common Table Expression. Okay, so we will be discussing using SQL and DSL. So you can see this is a table. So let me print this table, and before that you can see we have this data, and this is the df, and we have this temp view also. So in SQL, let me print all the data from this table. Select star from this table name is temp table. Okay, and then here we are going to use show. You can see this is the output id region cells. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to use CTE. We are going to use the aggregate and the group by to get the total region wise sales data. Okay, so we'll get the total sales of north here 1000, 1500, and it should be 2500, and south this will be added, and east you can see, and we'll get the total sum of the sales on the basis of the region, and after that we are going to filter. Okay, so here you can see this is the output, and we are going to get the sum of the total cells on the basis of the region. Okay, so select, we need region. Okay, and cells, we need regions and cells. No, we need, okay, cells, and sum of cells as total cell. Okay, from TMP group by region. So let me type so. You can see I have done some mistake. Region, okay, as you can see now the output. You can see the region wise sum is south is 4500, east 65, west 500, 5000, and north is 2500. Okay, so here we are going to use filter. We need to filter the region where the total cell is greater than 5000. Okay, so output should be east. Okay, or the region where total cell is less than 3000. So here we can use CTE to get the result. Okay, so this is the output. So on this output we need to use another expression. So let me put these two things in bracket, and here we are going to use CT table as this select region. Okay, and total cells from CT table. Okay, where total cell greater than 5000. Okay, so let me run this one. You can see all the is there, and same things if we do uh, let me run the same things uh, here, less than 3000. What should be the output? It is not. Okay, so this is the output. Here another things we can do. Before that, you'll get the details how I did. Select region, okay, some cells as total cell from TMP, group by region. Okay, let me then you'll have an idea how we have used this CTE on this table. Okay, so this is the main table, and this is the table where we use group by, and on this table we have used CTE filter. Okay, in DSL, if we need to get this output, what we'll do, so df dot will use group by region. Okay, and then we'll use aggregate sum. Okay, sum of cells as total cell, okay, and here we need to use filter. Okay, filter, what filter, total cell greater than 5000. Okay, here we need to use this dollar and then show. Okay, so in DSL we are using group by region and aggregate cells, total as total cell, filter total cell greater than 5000. Okay, so let me run this one. The output should be east. Okay, and here another df dot group by region, and then we are going to use aggregate sum. Okay, cells as total cell. Okay, and here we are using filter, and then dollar total cell less than 3000 dot show. So here output should be north. Okay, so this is how you can use CTE in SQL and in DSL. Guys, if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.